How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Burr. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens, and Happy New Year's. Okay, so I'm really excited the technology that we're developing for these new fixed frame projection screens. One of them actually is going to be a wallpaper projection screen, which is going to be jet black, and it is going to be sick. You are going to freaking love it. All right, so this is going to be a part of a new series. It's our Eclipse, Nano Black. Elite 4K. So sorry about that. I'm kind of excited here. This is going to be our Eclipse Nano Black Elite 4K. These screens are going to be insane. Now, mind you, this will not be a blackout cloth. This will not be a screen paint. This is a special coating. It is a 6 application coating that we have to apply to the surface to get it to react. I want you to check out this video. Look very carefully at the screen. There's a hidden secret on it. Just look very carefully at the screen. And like I said, we have several screens lined up for this form of new technology. We're going to have a 80-inch aluminum fixed frame screen 16:9. This will be available in 90-inch, 100-inch, 120-inch, and 135. There is coming a 138-inch 235.1 curve, also to 158-inch 235.1 aluminum fixed frame screen. This is some of the companies that are jumping on board that had their screens coated with this technology. And one of the other screens we have coming up, which I'm really excited, is a wallpaper screen. So let's begin with the demonstration. Hope you like it. This, mind you, the new formula is using smart technology gain times 9. All right, so let's begin. Turn my volume up here. We're doing this in a fully lit environment to show off the screen's amazing gain capability. Mind you, still at 80% done. Come over here real quick, drop the lights. Now, unlike the other technology we had with the Fusion Blacks, they required a screen, a projector lumens of around 3,000 lumens. With the new technology, sorry about that. With the new technology, it can be used with a projector as low as 200 lumens. All right, so let me grab one more over here before I show you the final results of the technology. Just gonna blow your socks off in a couple of minutes. Volume to drop here a little bit, a little too high. Let's put it down a little bit. Show you how advanced the technology is on these screens. Now, these screens are designed to bring out everything. I mean, it doesn't make a difference if your contrast on your projector is high or low. You'll be able to produce a depth to your picture that will have no end to it. It's going to look absolutely amazing. Now keep in mind the screen is only at 80% done. For a minute. Sorry about walking in front of the projector. My projector It's right here. It's around 13 feet from my screen, so we are using long throw. Now let me show you the most impressive point right now. I'm going to come over to the screen. You're looking at it real closely, aren't you? Just stare at it for a minute. Keep staring. All right. That's the wallpaper screen right there. You didn't see it, did you? Yep, that's the test for the wallpaper screen. This is how thin they are. That's it. That's the screen right there. There you go. That's what I had hitting on the screen the whole entire time. You couldn't see it. That's the wallpaper projection screen we have coming out. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to weigh absolutely nothing. It's going to be super thin, super lightweight. And you can just connect it right onto your wall and you're done. That's it. We can ship this anywhere in the world. Even at 120 inches, 150 inches, we can ship it anywhere in the world. There's no weight to it at all whatsoever. And it looks absolutely fantastic. You would have never known it was sitting there the entire time, would you? Alright, so I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I am really excited about this new technology. We have so much lined up for it. It is going to blow your socks off. And I mean literally blow your socks off. I cannot wait. We do have a projection screen package coming up really soon. It will involve a laser Casio projector with one of the screens. It may come with the 158 inch 235.1. So that may be available with that kit. We're still working out a few things on that one right there. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm just going to let this one play right on through. Look at it, it's like a vortex, like someone just cut a vortex into the wall. You can walk right into it. Like anyone's been around to watch Stargate. Kind of feels like that, doesn't it? This new technology we're working on is going to be amazing, and it is going to be cheaper and more affordable than some of these screens I hear costing $5,000 just for a 100-inch. Look at that. Look at all the lighting that's hitting that screen. That looks absolutely incredible. Alright, again, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Look at that freaking wallpaper. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for your time. Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. The new screens, lineup of these new screens will be launching on the 10th of January. I'd like to thank you all for watching.